we have to find its derivative with respect to x, right? How we can solve it? Watch till the end to know its correct explanation. Let us start its solution. Since y is given, y is equals to e to the power cos inverse under root 1 minus x square. We use a chain rule to differentiate it. Okay, so let us use the chain rule and differentiate it on both sides. Dy dx equals to, we differentiate e to the power cos inverse under root 1 minus x square with respect to what? If cos inverse under root 1 minus x square changes, then this whole function will change, right? So we differentiate this function first with respect to cos inverse under root 1 minus x square in derivative of cos inverse 1 minus x square. Okay, now we find the derivative of cos inverse under root 1 minus x square with respect to under root 1 minus x square. Okay, and now we differentiate this function under root 1 minus x square with respect to what? 1 minus x square. And now we differentiate this function 1 minus x square with respect to x. Okay, 1 minus x square with respect to x. Yes, thus we know that the derivative of e to the power x with respect to x is e to the power x, means function does not changes, right? Therefore its derivative will be the same function, means e to the power cos inverse under root 1 minus x square into derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square, but here we have under root 1 minus x square at place of x, so we write here minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square, but here we write here 1 minus x square whole square, because we have this at place of x. Okay, and derivative of under root x is equals to 1 by 2 root x, so we write here 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square, and we know that derivative of constant function is 0 and derivative of x square is 2x. By using the formula of derivative of x to the power n equals to n into x to the power n minus 1, so we write here minus 2x. Okay, now we get the required derivative easily. We have at last position. Now we can write here e to the power cos inverse under root 1 minus x square divided by, if we solve this, then we get the a square of root 1 minus x square equal to 1 minus x square only, and from here 1 will cancel and minus minus plus, means we write here under root x square. Okay, and from this part we write here under root 1 minus x square. Okay, and from here we write only x in the numerator as a factor of this function. Okay, now we have this part, and here we can write it x into e to the power cos inverse under root 1 minus x square divided by, we know that under root x square is equals to mod x, right? So we can write here mod x into under root 1 minus x square, and this is the required derivative of given function with respect to x. I hope you all have understood it. Thanks for watching.